I'm up in Algonquin Highlands at home here, and it's the Canada Day long weekend. And the Algonquin Air Force is out, which, the Mosquitoes, they are thick. Wow, they're thick. There's a young guy at work, and his name's Ben. And it's fascinating to see his enthusiasm about the outdoors, right? And it's not about him saying, hey, look at me, or any of that stuff, which is fantastic. But what it is about is just him, he just wants to learn. So I'm kind of tutoring him a little bit, as much as I can. And I guess this is the only way I'll be able to do it, is through this channel. The first thing I want him and all the others out there to understand is there's nothing here in this bush that's going to jump out and eat me. I am not on the menu. Neither are you. You're not on the menu. Oh, the bags you carry with food in it and stuff, yeah, they'll be pilfered for sure. But you're not food. Not to these guys. Not to the bear either. So, yeah. So let's just take a wander through this bush and see what we find, okay? And I'll shut up. I'll just be quiet. What we're looking for is stealth campers too, right? So we're going to look for wood smoke. That's the first thing we're going to look for. And voices. This is a spot where I've found people camping before. Nobody here. It's good. Okay, this plant right here. This plant right here is all, it's called touch-me-not or jewel weed. If you take the plant and mush it up in your hand, if you have, let's say you've got a sting or you've got itchy mosquito bites, rub this on your skin, okay? This, it works perfect. would have caught it.